Pineapple is a popular fruit, often grown in warm climates. Pineapple is rich in vitamins and minerals, and is also a rich source of bromelain, an enzyme with many therapeutic effects. Pineapple juice contains a concentrated amount of bromelain in each serving. In addition, pineapple is also rich in minerals and vitamins, such as manganese, vitamin C, copper, vitamin B6, and vitamin B1. Pineapple juice is also an excellent source of beta-carotene and vitamin A, which have antioxidant effects that promote healthy skin, heal wounds, and may reduce premature skin aging. Due to its concentrated bromelain content, pineapple can help activate the body's anti-inflammatory, anti-swelling, and pain-relieving abilities. Pineapple is also commonly used to treat inflammation, sports injuries, and help control symptoms of arthritis and osteoarthritis. In addition, other vitamins and minerals in pineapple also have the effect of reducing edema, increasing blood circulation to the damaged area, thereby effectively reducing pain. High levels of vitamin B1 also help stabilize blood sugar levels, support increased resistance, maintain a healthy weight, and prevent recurrent arthritis symptoms. In addition to its effectiveness in treating arthritis, pineapple has also been shown to strengthen bones, increase bone density, and connective tissue. This contributes to strong bones and the prevention of osteoporosis, especially in postmenopausal women. The method of treating arthritis with pineapple is highly appreciated for its effectiveness, safety, and low cost. However, patients should consult a doctor or specialist before applying this method to avoid potential risks. Here are instructions for treating arthritis with pineapple: 5 most effective ways, made from simple, easy-to-make, and healthy foods and drinks. Number 1. Pineapple salad with mixed vegetables. This dish is very simple, easy to make, delicious, combined with many other green vegetables and fruits, helping to provide a good amount of vitamins and minerals for health. Regular use of pineapple and vegetable salad can help improve the immune system, support anti-inflammatory, control joint pain, and stabilize the digestive system. In addition, this dish also helps prevent cardiovascular problems and diabetes. How to make pineapple and vegetable salad to treat joint pain as follows. Use 1 fresh pineapple, lettuce, cherry tomatoes, broccoli, red bell pepper, wash, cut into bite-sized pieces. Put the ingredients in a large bowl, add a sufficient amount of olive oil, cheese, salad dressing, mix well, and you can use. You can use this dish 3 to 4 times a week to control joint pain and improve health. Number 2. Pineapple and berry smoothie. Pineapple smoothie is an excellent source of vitamins C and magnesium, which are essential for energy production and antioxidants. This smoothie is also rich in vitamin B1, which regulates blood pressure, helps fight arthritis, osteoarthritis, gout, and other inflammatory problems in the body. In addition, the high bromelain content in pineapple smoothie will help eliminate water retention, reduce edema, and fight swelling and inflammation. Pineapple smoothie is made as follows. Use 150 grams of pineapple flesh, a cucumber, and a small piece of ginger. Put the pineapple, cucumber, and ginger in a blender. Blend until smooth. You can add water or crushed ice as desired. Cucumber is 90% water, so it is very good for eliminating toxins from the body. When combined with pineapple, this drink can enhance the anti-inflammatory effect, treat arthritis, and prevent constipation due to its high fiber content. In addition, the smoothie contains ginger, which helps fight infections, relieve nausea, and contribute to maintaining a healthy weight. You can drink this smoothie twice a week. Number 3. Cure arthritis with pineapple and turmeric. Treating arthritis with pineapple and turmeric is a highly regarded remedy for its pain-relieving, anti-inflammatory, and bone and joint health benefits. Turmeric also contains many anti-arthritis properties, treats osteoarthritis, and strengthens the immune system. In addition, this drink also contains cinnamon, which has pain-relieving effects similar to nonsteroidal anti-inflammatory drugs. Therefore, patients should regularly apply the treatment of arthritis with pineapple and turmeric to control pain quickly and effectively. How to combine pineapple and turmeric to treat arthritis as follows. Use half a fresh pineapple, 1 turmeric branch, 1 teaspoon of cinnamon powder, and 1 cucumber. Put the ingredients in a blender. Blend until smooth. You can add water or crushed ice depending on your preference. You should use this drink 2 to 3 times a week to control arthritis symptoms as quickly as possible. Number 4. Pineapple ice cream for arthritis. Pineapple ice cream is a delicious snack with a fragrant, sweet, cool taste and is suitable for hot summer days. Ice cream helps provide a necessary amount of vitamins and minerals, helps fight inflammation, treat arthritis, and improve resistance, thereby protecting the body from harmful agents. To make pineapple ice cream, patients can refer to the following recipe. Use 1 pineapple, cut into cubes, marinate with a sufficient amount of sugar for 15 to 30 minutes. Put in the freezer for about 3 hours, then puree for about 30 seconds. Put the ice cream in a cup and it can be used. Pineapple ice cream can be eaten with peanuts, walnuts, almonds, or dried coconut. The ice cream can be used as a dessert or snack to improve health as well as treat arthritis symptoms. Number 5. Recipe combining pineapple, carrots, and celery. Pineapple, celery, and carrot juice is packed with nutrients and antioxidants that help boost the immune system and treat arthritis symptoms. This drink is rich in vitamin C, low in sugar, and provides a vegan source of calcium, which helps improve bone and joint health and prevent osteoporosis naturally and safely. In addition, this drink also contains cucumber, which helps cleanse the body, detoxify, lower blood pressure, and maintain a healthy body weight. This helps reduce pressure on the joints and effectively control pain. How to make pineapple, carrot, and celery juice. Use 1 pineapple, 1 cucumber, 1 carrot, 1 teaspoon of lemon juice, and 1 handful of celery. Put the ingredients in a juicer to extract the juice. You can add sugar, stir well, add ice, and drink. Use this drink 1 to 2 times a week to control arthritis symptoms. Put in the freezer for about 3 hours, then puree for about 30 seconds. Put the ice cream in a cup and it can be used. Pineapple ice cream can be eaten with peanuts, walnuts, almonds, or dried coconut. The ice cream can be used as a dessert or snack to improve health as well as treat arthritis symptoms. Treating arthritis with pineapple is a safe and highly effective method. In addition, patients need to have a plan to rest, exercise, and eat moderately to improve the effectiveness of treatment. Thank you for watching the video. If you find it interesting, please subscribe and share with everyone things that are useful for health. Click follow to welcome the latest videos. Meaningful and useful videos for health will be edited by us and for you.